Looking for a better investment plan? Seems like AMP is all set up to its game and woo new investors. Tag along till the end to know why you would end up buying AMP this season. Hi investors! Welcome to Crypto Daddy. Make sure to turn on the subscribe button so that you receive a notification every time we post the latest update and guidance. Today we will talk about AMP crypto and how its striking inflation is affecting other currencies. If you are not yet confident about AMP, I'm sure you are going to have a clear insight. Alright, now let's get into the details. First off, let's take a look at the larger landscape for a deeper understanding of the topic in our hand. The worldwide cryptographic money market capitalization fell 6% to $1.6 trillion on 16 June 2021 as significant coins saw a decline. Yet advanced guarantee token AMP proceeded with its upward march. As per the analysts, Bitcoin exchanged 3.58% lower at $38,622.4, while Ethereum exchanged 5.44% lower at $2,395.71 in a similar period. Dogecoin Doge exchanged 2.48% lower at $0.31 at press time, more than 24 hours, and 8.16 lower on the following 7-day premise. Doge figured out how to register 1.02% and 2.98% additions against both BTC and ETH individually. In a 7-day window since the first week of June, the cryptographic money has shot up 85.49%. AMP was up by 16.17%. AMP claims to have the option to collateralize any resource move, digital or physical. The badge of the task has taken 1,580.67% since the year started. From the 6th of June, AMP was recorded on the Pro Foundation of Coinbase's Global Inc., which gave the value a significant push. The digital money has broken out of the climbing triangle and is hoping to skip where it was in the past at the dime point of opposition, according to Benzinga's Tyler Bundy. A decrease in effective digital forms of money is by and large widely ascribed to an overall pullback in resources after dealers zeroed in on the Fed authorities' overhauled projection for climbs in loan costs before the finish of 2023. Edward Moya, a senior market analyst, said in a note that he expects risk resources, including digital currencies, to see momentary pressure because of inflation. While 11 Fed members see no change to loan costs through at any rate 2022, 5 forecast rates will increase by 0.25% by the end of 2022 and 2 see a 0.5% ascend. Everything except 5 members see in any event 1 rate climb before the finish of 2023. AMP is an advanced insurance token that aims to make the moment irreversible exchanges conceivable. AMP upholds a wide range of protocols and use cases, including the Flexa network. AMP is an ERC20 token. An ERC20 token is an undertaking assembled utilizing the Ethereum blockchain. Independent ERC20 activities can control an assortment of protocols, utilizing Ethereum's Shrewd Agreement framework to execute arrangements as indicated by predefined attributes. As a result, ERC20 tokens have the advantage of a wider range of capacity alternatives and greater similarity between projects when contrasted with independent blockchain projects like Bitcoin and Litecoin. Presented in 2020, AMP is a digital collateral token that can confirm transfers of significant worth among various resources types. Activities can utilize AMP to get exchanges and fabricate networks that can start and execute transfers and quickly without impedance. In addition, the AMP token is open source and decentralized, which provides more potential for the mix of new resources and worth transfers. AMP is present the 252nd biggest cryptographic money project when estimated by absolute market capitalization. However, it's anything but day-to-day exchanging volume of about $980,000 and a complete market capitalization of more than $119 million. A crypto broker provides you with an exchanging platform that you can use to purchase and sell cryptographic forms of money, typically in return for a little charge or commission. Even though AMP isn't the most well-known cryptographic money on the market, When contrasted with significant contributions like Bitcoin and Ethereum, there are yet numerous trades that you can use to purchase, sell, and convert AMP. If you need to make a more enhanced crypto portfolio, it may very well be useful to make a rundown of cryptos you are keen on investing in and cross-referring to it with each broker's rundown of upheld coins and tokens. Almost every crypto broker may charge you a charge or commission when you purchase and sell crypto utilizing its platform. In case you're a successful financial backer, these charges can immediately cut into your profits. Therefore, be certain that you comprehend both your broker's expense plan and any surplus record maintenance expenses they charge so you can most precisely calculate your profits. Cryptocurrency analysts are enjoying some real success on the current AMP crypto value prediction. Indeed, this Ethereum-based computerized token has been taking off since opening up on Coinbase. But be that as it may, will this bullish pattern continue in what's to come? Or on the other hand, will AMP token neglect to understand its potential throughout the next few months and years? The current AMP crypto value prediction is hopeful because of an assortment of reasons. Most importantly, it's presently accessible on Coinbase. This by itself is a significant purpose for the development. However, its utilization on the Flexa network is similarly significant. AMP token goes about as collateral for installments on the Flexa network. In this way, if an installment on Flexa takes excessively long or bombs out and out, AMP token is then sold to take care of the expenses. Besides, there is a fixed stockpile of AMP tokens. This is significant because it decreases volatility, which has become a significant issue for some cryptocurrencies. At the moment, AMP is exchanging around $0.09. Yet numerous analysts trust it can hit $0.30 before the year is over. Also, numerous financial backers inside the AMP token local area are persuaded to hit the $1 market soon. Is AMP crypto a smart investment? Most analysts have a hopeful AMP crypto value prediction, as numerous financial backers are getting in before it takes off for great. If the pattern continues, you can expect AMP crypto to turn into a genuine speculation opportunity. The potential is there similar to other cryptocurrencies at the moment. The crypto market is pretty much as hot as it's consistently been. Every single day another crypto starts to assume control over news features. All the more as of late, the AMP token is up front. Accordingly, you might need to keep a nearby watch on this collateral token going ahead. Instructions to invest in AMP token. AMP token is currently exchanging on Coinbase. Thus, the mainstream application offers you the chance to study this collateral token while procuring AMP simultaneously. Investing in cryptocurrency. Conventional financial backers have discussed crypto's potential for a long while. Furthermore, this discussion is certain to continue in 2022. AMP token is one of the numerous cryptocurrencies to get the online media spotlight as of late. Therefore, you can expect the AMP crypto value prediction to stay bullish all throughout the not-so-distant future. The lowest price of AMP crypto is predicted to reach up to $0.2152967, whereas the highest price is expected to reach $0.260755656 as per the market scenarios of 22nd July 2021. Thus, the analyst has guaranteed the inflation of the price, and their forecasting is predicted to be a profitable one. This prediction also suggests the price of the AMP crypto will continue to increase in the upcoming months. In the larger prospect, the price of 1 AMP can roughly be up to $0.08084027 in 1 year, a 2x nearly from the current AMP price. On the other hand, the algorithm predicts that the AMP price can be up to $0.07075965 by the end of July. This algorithm also suggests the price of AMP will touch at least $0.1801885 within 2026. AMP price prediction. Most of the major cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Ethereum, reached their all-time high prices during the March-April bull run of 2021. When the market has dropped, cryptocurrency markets promise high returns in a shorter period. With such a lucrative model, thousands of new coins have been launched over the past few years. Among the popular cryptocurrencies, AMP crypto has recently become very popular. The current price of AMP crypto is $0.0544 as of 22nd July 2021. As per the report of June 2021, AMP has a market cap of 0. trading at around $0.0544. This makes AMP the world's 5,033rd large crypto project. These are the AMP price predictions for AMP's future. A maximum price of AMP's crypto is $0.0642. The minimum price of $0.0459 for June 2021. The average AMP price for June 2021 is $0.0551. At the beginning of July 2021, the price will be around $0.0581. The maximum price of AMP crypto is $0.0627. The minimum price of $0.0534 for July 2021. The average price for July 2021 is $0.0581. The price of AMP is expected to reach at the end of July 2021 $0.0581. Change for July 2021 5%. Well guys, with all that said, we have come to the end. But let me remind you all that this video is made in the spirit to spread information of educational value only. This in no way is deemed to be taken as a financial or investment advice. For investment guidelines and related, please do your own wide-spectrum research or consult a certified financial guru before making any investment decision. So what do you think? Will you consider shifting to AMP? Feel free to comment your thoughts down below, and if you liked the video, don't hesitate to give us a like and keep us propelled. Also a gentle reminder, subscribe to Crypto Daddy. If you haven't yet, hit that bell icon right beside to stay ahead in the game of the cryptocurrencies. So until then fellas,